Good evening, everyone. Officials held a meeting with political parties, appoint booth level agents as soon as possible. On the instructions of District Election Officer and Deputy Commissioner Dr. Munish Nagpal, a meeting of representatives of recognized national and state political parties was held in the auditorium of the mini secretariat chaired by SDM Yogesh Sani and Ashish Sangwan. The objective of the meeting was to make the voter list more transparent and encourage voters to vote more. District administration officials as well as senior representatives of political parties were present on the occasion. Officials stated at the meeting that transparency and credibility of election work can only be ensured if all political parties play an active role. The omission of eligible voters' names from the voter list and the inclusion of ineligible names are both detrimental to the democratic process. To prevent this, is the essential that political parties appoint their own booth level agents BLAs at every polling station. The presence of BLAs will provide assistance and guidance to eligible citizens, and the conjunction with the BLOs will ensure more accurate and transparent voter list revision. He said that for the strengthening of democracy, it is the essential that every eligible citizen must vote. To this end, political parties should also cooperate in raising public awareness to increase the voting percentage in the district. He explained that the district administration inspects EVM warehouses every month. The presence of political party representatives is mandatory during these inspections. He urged all parties in ensure that their authorized representatives are present at the inspection site on the scheduled dates. In the inspection scheduled in the shared with all parties in advance to avoid inconvenience to anyone. The district grievance redressal and grievance committee will meet on the 26th. Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Minister Shyam Singh Rana will chair the meeting. Charkhi Dadri, Dredi, September 19. Deputy Commissioner Dr. Munish Nagpal informed that the district grievance redressal and grievance committee will meet on the September 26th. State Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Minister Shyam Singh Rana will chair the meeting. He stated that the meeting will be held at 11 a.m. in the auditorium on the first floor of the mini secretariat. During the meeting, the committee will hear the complaints received and attempt to resolve them promptly. A total of 15 complaints will be presented to the Agriculture Minister, including one pending and 12 new complaints. Road repair should be carried out expeditiously. Special attention should be paid to construction materials. Deputy Commissioner Dr. Munish Nagpal stated that Chief Minister Mr. Naib Singh Saini himself is concerned about road improvement and is constantly reviewing the situation. Road repairs are being carried out in the district as per the Chief Minister's instructions. All agencies should ensure that this work is carried out expeditiously and special attention is paid to the quality of construction materials. The deputy commissioner issued clear instructions that road repairs in the district should be prioritized and completed expeditiously in decreed departmental officials to immediately survey and repair roads with potholes, cracks, on other problems. Road have deteriorated in many areas after the rains, causing inconvenience to residents. He also clarified that all work must be completed within the stipulated time frame and special attention must be paid to quality. Road repair work is being carried out in the district under the guidance of the deputy commissioner following the chief minister's instructions. The Public Works Department, the Municipal Council, and related departments are repairing rural roads, including those in Dready city. The roads repaired so far include the Kalyana, Ghasola, Bhagvi, Kaneti, Gotda, Bahu, Dhani Phogat, Patuas, Parsuram Chowk, Loharu Chowk, Parsuram Chowk, Tikona Park, and Kart Mandi main roads. The Deputy Commissioner of NHAI ordered an investigation on the Chief Minister instructions. The Deputy Commissioner has assigned SDM Yogesh Sani the responsibility of investigating the road constructed by the National Highways Authority of India from Samaspur Chowk to Mahendragarh Chowk. A complaint had been received regarding the use of substandard materials in the construction of this road, and a newspaper report had published the matter. Dadri district will be using the Miyawaki method for environmental protection with 35 species of trees to be planted. Sunil Satpal Sangwan. In addition to the national highway, there are plans to plant trees using the Miyawaki technique on schools and panchayat land. MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has always championed public service initiatives for the benefit of the people of India. A Seva Pakhwada service fortnight has been launched in the country to mark his 75th birthday, under which the tree plantation campaign using the Miyawaki method has been initiated for environmental protection. He added that Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini is also personally committed to environmental protection. A district level program was organized by the Forest Department in the district. Dadri MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan attended the event as the chief guest. He was welcomed by District Forest Officer Satish Duhan. MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan stated that Dadri district will now be greened using the Japanese Miyawaki technique. To protect the environmental, thousands of trees of 35 species will be planted using the Miyawaki method in school and colleges, along the national highway and on panchayat land. MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan planted trees using the Miyawaki method on Friday at a district level program organized by the Forest Department. Approximately 4,000 trees were planted using the Miyawaki method today. Sunil Satpal Sangwan stated that following the example of Rohtak jail, efforts have been initiated to plant trees using the Miyawaki technique at several locations in that way. A lot of work is needed from all of us to make Dready district green. He added that when is the jailer of Sunaria jail, he planted 5,000 trees using this method on 2,000 square yards of land. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also praised the Miyawaki method. He said that Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has started a campaign called One Tree for Mother, whose objective is to nurture trees like children, just as a mother nurtures her children, thereby promoting environmental protection. Forest Range Officer Hemant, District Coordinator Babita Soran, school teachers, children, village sarpanch and villagers were present during the event. तो ये थी आज की हमारी अहम और पुख्ता खबरें। हर रोज़ ऐसी खबरें देखने के लिए अगर आपको पसंद आती हैं तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए। अगर आपको पसंद नहीं आती है तो कोई बात नहीं, हम लाइक करने के लिए या शेयर करने के लिए नहीं कहेंगे। अगर आप जो इन खबरों से फ़ायदा उठाना चाहता है उठा सकता है। तो इसी के साथ आप अपना ख्याल रखिए, सुरक्षित रहिए। अब मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त, नमस्कार।